Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saurabh Razurkar speaking on the behalf of LR Pharmaceuticals. As we all know, we are facing global pandemic of COVID-19. We would like to share how we are keeping pace with the production in these difficult times. Here at our manufacturing unit, we are strictly adhering hygiene maintenance and social distancing practices as per the standards given by WHO and Indian government. We begin our day at manufacturing unit by sanitizing every single vehicle entering the premises. Every employee is being sanitized along with their belongings. We are taking care of employees by providing them new disposable masks and caps every day. All the employees are being checked by the doctors before starting the manufacturing process. All the production lines are being sterilized. Each and every equipment and storage facilities are strictly sanitized regularly. A non-compromised social distancing practices are enforced inside the factory by not allowing more than 2 workers in one production room. We emphasize on employee isolation by keeping only one employee operating on machine wherever it is possible. We end our day by sanitizing each and every employee before they leave the factory premises. The used masks and caps are disposed properly. We have encouraged our employee to download Arogya Setu app developed by Government of India. We actively spread awareness in our employees regarding the COVID-19 disease, and we have trained our employees to maintain the sanitation practices at work as well as their personal lives. I would like to thank every doctor, veterinary doctor, police officers, all the frontline workers for their role fighting against this corona disease. In conclusion, we encourage people to follow the guidelines given by the Government of India, and we make India corona free soon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.